welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, okay? I wanna tell you about some article. Let's start it. Oil prices fell by more than $5 a barrel and on Monday after disappointing China's economic data renewed concern of a global recession that would be expected to reduce fuel demand. US West Texas Intermediate crude was down $3 or 4% at $88 after dropping 2% in the previous session. Brent futures were close to their lows since before Russia sent troops into Ukraine on February 24, while WTI futures touched their lows on Monday since early February. A damaged oil pipeline component that disrupted output at several offshore U.S. Gulf of Mexico platforms was repaired late Friday, prompting oil producers to reactivate some of the halted production, a Louisiana official said last week. Supply disruptions at several offshore oil platforms within the Gulf Coast region that added to last week's price trends appear to have stabilized for now, with output resuming, said Jim Retherbust, president of Retherbust and Associates LLC in Galena, Illinois. Brent crude open interest this month is down by 20% from August last year. Open interest is still falling, with some market players not interested in touching it because of volatility. That is, in my view, the reason resulting in higher volumes to the downside. USB oil analyst Giovanni Staunofo said, adding the trigger from the drop on Monday was weak Chinese data. The central bank in China, the world's largest crude importer, cut lending rates to revive demand as data showed the economy slowing unexpectedly in July, with factory and retail activities squeezed by Beijing's zero-COVID policy and property crisis. The country's refinery output slipped to 12.53 million barrels per day, its lowest since March 2020, government data showed. ING Bank cut its forecast for China's 2022 GDP growth to 4%, down from a previous projection of 4.4%, and said a further downgrade was possible. The US dollar index, meanwhile, rose near to the middle of its range this month. Oil is generally priced in US dollars, so a stronger greenback makes the commodity more expensive to holders of other currencies. Maybe that's all from me. I'm sorry about my mistake, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.